10-meter long ladder line was made using 2.5 square millimeter insulated copper wire, 2-inch long pieces of drip irrigation tubes with 6 millimeter diameter, and 20 centimeter long black nylon ties. I was told that black nylon ties are resistant to solar ultraviolet rays, while white ones are not. Drip irrigation tubes are also UV protected, but the insulated copper wire meant for home wiring may not be. I bought 60 meters of 2.5 square millimeter insulated copper wire, of which 20 meter was used for the ladder line. Remaining part was mounted as a folded dipole antenna with a compromised mounting, as there are no regular high locations for mounting here. There is no soldering or joints at the feed point, as the ladder line continues as the folded dipole antenna. Joints will appear at the junction of ladder line to a 2-meter long coaxial cable, which I will have to use for connection to the radio. That will be done later, and then only can I test the antenna feed line system. Multiple PVC pipe supports have been used for the ladder line and folded dipole antenna. Original aim was a delta loop antenna, which got converted to a somewhat folded dipole, as there was no place to mount a delta loop in any orientation. Of course, I cannot expect any great propagation for an antenna with the highest point lower than the first floor roof. I'll be happy if I can match it with ATU 100 tuner and get at least some reduction in noise flow.